Hello everybody, Princess the Bear here, and we're back.
Yes, another cooking video.
Yes, we're on our balcony. So yes, we're gonna make another Disney remake video. Today we are making...
It's inspired by the Lotus Cafe at Epcot. They have a orange chicken there.
Yes.
Obviously we're not doing orange chicken.
Yes.
We are going to do orange cauliflower.
So we're veganizing something that we've seen on the menu for a while. We have been Lotus Blossom Cafe?
Lotus Blossom Cafe, yeah, that's
yes.
right.
But before we did YouTube.
Mm-hmm. If you guys have made this recipe, tell us about it in the comments. We can't wait to hear your feedback.
Alright, and we will see you soon.
Be sure to make Cricket get the bag.
Hello everybody, Princess the Bear here, and finally finished with our Disney remake of...
Orange
chicken. So, we took a bit. I don't wanna lie. Making your own sauce from scratch is not a short order ordeal. But I think it came out pretty well.
I would agree. I think it came out pretty well. The sauce does... The cornstarch takes a while to thicken, so you do have to be patient with it.
Yes.
But...
we have our finished product.
So excited to try this, and we got leftovers for days.
Yes, this is going to feed us for a bit. This is I'm not even going to finish this.
Look at this beautifulness right here. Like,
but
ooh.
It looks like chicken.
Ooh.
It looks delicious. A little bit of broccoli with some rice underneath, because of course, can't have orange chicken without rice.
Yeah, it's just savage.
Let's dive right in. This delicious looking top piece right here. Bye-bye, broccoli.
Dink.
Dink.
Mm-hmm. It's orangey.
I will say that the homemade sauce tastes really good.
It's much better than a bottled sauce that you could get. Definitely. We maybe made it a little too breaded. It might be a little too thickly breaded, but I feel like that gives you a little bit more of the traditional vibe.
Yeah, we might have gone a little crazy on the batter.
And of course, you know, you had to have broccoli. Just steamed, just good. White rice with just the sauce.
Get some rice down in here.
It's also incredible. The orange is so strong.
Very strong.
For how like little orange we actually used, it's very prominent in this dish. I'm supremely satisfied This is like the third time we've made a variation of this dish, and every time I've been really happy. We'll definitely be making this again.
Yes. The only thing that I would do differently this time around is a lighter breading. And I'd make the sauce the night before. If you're gonna make it from scratch.
Agreed.
You're gonna make it from scratch.
That'd be a much better idea because then it gives the sauce time to like
Set.
firm up.
Thicken.
Yeah, so you just cook it all together, stick it in a jar, put it in the fridge for a night.
You know, just heat it up.
Then cook everything the next day. We should do that next time.
Yeah, but it was definitely a fun time. I mean, I can see.
Yeah, we had good times.
Why people love orange chicken so much. We're having a lot of fun with these Disney remake recipes here at home.
Yeah.
While we're in self-quarantine, if you guys have any recipes that you like, be it from the China Pavilion Epcot or other places, as always, let us know in the comments.
Yes.
Hit the notification bell if you want to see other videos like this, and
we have new videos 5 days a week. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Saturday.
And we will see you soon.
Be sure to subscribe.
You heard the girl. And I forgot. 3.5 out of 5 plus.